Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the Wix Studio for beginners. So this is a guide for you if you are new to Wix. Okay, so first thing that we should do is we just have to simply open any of our web browser. And then once we are in our web browser, we just have to use the search bar at the top. And then we have to type out Wix Studio. Okay, so just type out right here the Wix Studio and you'd be directed to this page. Okay, so as you can see right here, I have my websites or the sites that I have created. So make sure that you have logged into your account. Okay, and then once you've logged into your account, you'd be able to see here now your site. So for this video, we are going to talk about on how we can start with Wix Studio, how we can create a site from scratch, and how we can create a site using the Studio template. So for the first part is we are going to start from scratch. So starting from scratch is we are going to build all of the pages. We are not going to use any themes here on Wix Studio. Okay, so now we just have to simply click on the create new site at the top right. So this one, and I am going to choose the Studio blank canvas. Okay, so make sure to click on this one or the Studio template at the top. So let me just click on this Studio blank canvas right here and we'd be directed to this page. Okay, so what we can do here now is we are going to check if we have other pages. But as you can see, since we have created this site from scratch, so we are going to build our own pages. Okay, so for our home page, okay, so what we can do here is we can customize this page. So just click on it, and then right here at the right side, we can change the color of the section. So I think I'll be using this color. Okay, and then we are going to close this inspector panel now. Then now let us try to add elements. So just click on this plus icon at the top left, and right here we can add different elements. So we have image, title, paragraph, button, container, videos, shape, and more. So if you would like to add these elements, you just have to simply drag and drop that specific element. Okay, so for this section, I'm going to click on the layout tools right here. And then for the section grids, I'll be using these 3 sections. I'm going to add it right here, and then another section will be added at the top. Okay, so what we can do here now is we are going to add media. Okay, so just click on add media, and of course we can upload media from our computer or use our own media or use media from Wix. Okay, so let me just add an image on this box as well. So just click on the add image or add media, and then select the image that you want to upload. And then the last one, then just click on add media, then go here and then try to look for an image that is relevant for your website. Okay, just click on add to page. And now that we already added 3 different images to our grid, what we can do now is to go here, and then if you want to add a new section, just click on this add new section, and then another section will be added. Now if we want to create another page, what we can do is to simply click on this option right here at the top left. So this one, so when you click on this one, you'll be able to see here all of our pages. Now just click on the manage pages. Okay, so just click on this one, and then when you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you'll be able to see this add new page. So we can add a standard blank page or add a dynamic page. I'm just going to add the standard page right here, and then you'd be directed to this page. So what you can do here is to rename the new page that you have created. So I'm just going to type out like sample page or maybe about us section. So I'm just going to type out about us. Then after that, you can now start customizing this one. So now you can start customizing this page or this section. So all you have to do is simply click on this section right here, and then click on this arrow at the top right. And then from here, you can now change the color, add your own media, and you also have here layout and then the ratio, of course. So you just have to go through the settings. Now right here at the left side, we have here the layers. So we have this different settings. So when you click on layers, you'll be able to see here the layers. And then when you go to the side pages, we also have the global sections. And then here is the typography settings. So this is the site typography styles. And right here, we can also upload our media, of course. And below the media, we have here the app market. So if we are looking for an app that we wanted to install on our site, you just have to go here and then use the search bar at the very top and then try to look for an app that you can install or the app that you need for your website. For example, online store. So you'd be able to see here different applications that we can use. Okay, so you just have to look for that specific application. And now let's go to the site styles. Okay, so let me just click on this icon right here. Now what we can do here is we are going to go to the typography settings. So if you want to make any changes, just go ahead. And then when you go to the colors, you'd be able to see here the site color styles. Okay, so we have the background text, the action buttons as well. So we have here the max width. Okay, and we also have the page transitions. Okay, so now the next thing that we are going to talk about is how we can edit this one in a different view. Okay, so we have here the tablet view. So let's go to our homepage first. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like if someone is using a tablet when visiting our website. And when someone is using a mobile phone, then this is how it's going to look like. Okay, and then take note that you have to make sure that when you're building your site, you have to make sure that every time you added an element or you are making changes, you have to consider the different views. So we have the tablet view and the mobile view as well, because our users are not using a laptop or PC every time. So maybe they're using a laptop, tablet, or a mobile phone. So as you can see right here in our pages, we only have the home option at the very top. So what we can do in order for us to have the menu option at the very top, we're going to add an element, which is the menu. So just click on this add element option at the top left and then go to the menu and search. Okay, so this one below the buttons. And right here we have the different menus. So we have horizontal menus, vertical menus, anchor menus, hamburger menus, and breadcrumbs. So what we are going to do here is to choose the menu that you are going to use. So for example, this one, so you just have to simply drag and drop it right here. Okay, and then to use this menu, I'm going to delete this one right here first. Okay, so let me just adjust this right here and then just click on delete. Okay, so now that we have a new menu, what we are going to do is to add here the different pages of our site. So to do that, just click on manage menu. Okay, and then just click on the add item option, this one at the very bottom. Okay, and then right here, just click on the main pages. And then here, just have to check all of the pages that you want to add and just click on apply. And as you can see, since we only have 2 pages on this page, so we have here the home and about us section. So let us preview this one and try to see if our menus are working. So let's say someone will click on the about us section, so they'd be redirected to that site. And when they click on the home page option, then they'd be directed to this page. So now that we are done talking about how we can create a site from scratch, now let us proceed and use the studio template. But before that, let me just publish this one. So just click on the publish option and click on save and continue. Okay, and then after that, just click on done. And now that our website is ready, let us try to create another website using the studio template. So just click on this option right here at the top right once again, the create new site. And then make sure to choose the studio template. Okay, so this one, and we redirected to this page. So what we can do here is to look for a template that we want to use for our site. So right here we have the different categories, and take note that all of this template are responsive. Okay, so we have here the category section, we have here the design template, wireframes, inspirational templates as well. And for the type, we have e-commerce, portfolio, one page, company site, and CMS. Okay, and for the industry, we also have here the business, technology, creative, and more. And for the features, we also have this one, and for the styles. So, for example, right here on the type, I wanted to use a template for e-commerce. So just have to simply click on what type of template that you are looking for. And of course, right here at the top left, we also have the search bar that we can use if you want to look for a specific template. So, for example, makeup template, or use keywords that will help you to find the template that you are looking for. So, for example, makeup store, and then a different template will appear. So, what you can do here is just have to simply scroll down, and if you found the best template for the website that you are wanting to build, all you have to do is to simply click on the view option. Okay, so for example, this one, let us view this one first and see if this template is worth it or this template is responsive. Okay, so we can go to the different views as well. We have the tablet view and the mobile view. And if you think this template is good, okay, so all you have to do is just simply click on the edit template at the top right side of your screen to start customizing this template. Okay, so let me just click on this option right here, the edit template option. And it will be directed to this page. So now we can start customizing this template. Okay, so let us just scroll down just a little bit, and then right here, let us try to see the different pages. So just click on this option at the top left, and as you can see, we have the built-in pages for this template. Okay, so now let us go ahead and change the image for this section. Okay, so here you just have to simply click on that element and then just click on the change image option. Then right here we can upload media from our computer, the media that we need for our business or for our website. And the next one is we can also use media from Wix or use the search bar at the top to search for a specific image that we want to use. So for example, this one right here, so I'm just going to click on it and then just click on the update option. Okay, so once done, as you can see, we have now here the image that we have added. And then right here, when we try to click on this option or the menu option at the very top, okay, so we can customize this one to take note that all of the elements for this template is customizable, so we can edit everything right here. So for example, this one, I want to change this to sample, or of course the name of your business. So I'm just going to use this as sample name right here. Then what you can do now is you just have to stretch it out, okay, and then paste here the name of your business. Okay, then right here when we scroll down, you'll be able to see here the product section. So here, if you want to customize and add your own products, you just have to click on it and click on manage products, and then you'd be directed to your dashboard. Then what you can do here now is to upload your own product. So to upload your own product, all you have to do is to simply click on the new product option at the top right. So this one right here, so you just have to click on it, and then you can upload physical product or digital file. So I'm just going to select a physical product, okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And right here we have the title of the product, we have the images, the videos, we also have the product information, and then we can add here the prices. And then once done, you just have to simply click on save, and that product will be added to this section. Okay, so when we scroll down, you'll be able to see the different section and start customizing these elements. So say for example, let us try to visit the other pages and start customizing it. So just click on the pages option and see, for example, let's go to the product page. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And once you're here on that specific page, we can now start customizing this one. So for example, right here, so we can actually customize the buttons. So we have the add to cart buttons and the buy now buttons. Okay, so we just have to simply click on this one right here, And then we just have to click on the design action button or click on settings. Okay, so let me just click on this one and click on the design action buttons. So here we have the design. So we have the add to cart. Okay, so right here we'll be able to change the color. So I'm going to change the color for this button. So I think this one is good. So you just have to click on it and then close this one. Next, if you would like to customize the text, so we have here the style, the color of the font. We also have the borders, the corners, the shadows, the layout, and the icon, of course. So if you are done with this setting, so you just have to close that. And then right here, let us try to go to the tablet view. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like when someone using a tablet and visit our site. So when someone using a mobile phone and visit our site, this is how it's going to look like. So just make sure that whenever you try to change any element here on this template, you have to consider the different views, okay? Since this template is responsive, you still have to check it, especially when you are trying to change some of the elements or the ratio of this template. So before we end this video, let us try to preview our page or our site. And when everything is working well, then we can now publish our site. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.